Problem says you are buying your first car and need to borrow $16,000 over 5 years. If interest rate is 6%, what is your monthly payment? All right. Here you have to identify what's what. So your $16,000, is that a present value or a final value? Of course, because you need it now, so that's your present worth. In this case, P is then equal to 16,000. So you always want to start with your known and your unknowns, right? So N here, the number of years is 5 years. Interest rate is 6%. And here they ask you to find a monthly payment. So this is I could call it M to kind of refer to a monthly payment, but this is sort of like your annual, but instead of annual, it's your monthly payment. So, but let's just say that this is your amount, recurring amount, payment amount. So this is what the question is asking you. But we're going to calculate it over a year period and then divide by 12. All right. So A is what I'm asked. So I'm given P. Again, given P. I need A given P. So in order to cancel out the P's, I have to multiply P, I, and N here. So P is equal to 16K. So here I'm referring to the annual amount, right? Keep that in mind. And I'm going to go to the factor table to find A given P, 6% over 5 years. 6%. A given P, and is 5 years. A given P, so 0.2374. 0.2374. All right, let's calculate this. 16K times 123.74. So I have 370. What is it? 3,3798.4. Now, of course, this is a 12-month period, so you got to divide this by 12. So A over 12, that'll give you 316. $53. Now here the closest answer here is B, 309. In the exam you see this as well. Like they ask you for the value that is most near whatever you're calculating, so don't be alarmed if it's not exactly the value. So 309 is the closest, so that's your final answer. Now, when I looked at this problem, I thought about converting the interest rate to a monthly rate, and then I'm like, not really sure about that. So maybe you can try and convert the 6% to because the problem didn't necessarily say if it's an annual rate, but we're assuming that it is. But I thought about doing it because we are asked to find a monthly payment, so I thought about bringing the 6% to a monthly rate and then do the calculations. But you can try it and see if you come up with the same answer. It should be the same, but I'm not really sure. I didn't try it that way. This is the way I tried it. So, but it's just a little bit funny that they didn't say this is the annual rate. But sometimes you see that. But yeah, this is correct. This is the final answer. 309.